Welcome back, guys. I just came back from vacation from Florida. Picked a very awful time to go to Florida over the weekend, but it is what it is. I made it back safe. Um, but as I was gone, I got two new packages. I'm gonna unbox those for you guys, and then I have a head here, so eventually I'll build the head on the side. But this is here, and I have it. But I'm gonna take these two boxes into the office, then unbox them for you guys. So first box is going to be this one. I'm not sure what's in this box, but someone already kind of opened it by mistake. So I'm going to start with this one. I don't know if you guys know this company or not, but I ordered some BF gears. And clearly this is the box with all the gears in it. Came with some stickers. Got a new phone. But let me take these boxes out. Okay, this says this is the main shaft. First and second gear, helicoil cut. So I got first to fourth gear set, and then I got some synchros and things like that, and an Mfactory differential. I've never actually seen gears in person. These looks pretty beefy to me. Hopefully they'll last as long as they said they should last. It's ready for like about 800 horses. As I said many times before, I never want that much horses anyways. I'm gonna always keep it to like, once I build that head in the corner, probably like 650 and under. But these should help for the power it's at right now. And after these are installed, I'm gonna test it on the street or whatever. And then if I feel comfortable enough, I will definitely take the car to the track one day. Being that the weak point right now is the transmission, and I don't feel like launching it, then it should breaks on me. So this is just some safety precautions. Even though it still can break, but I'm not going to open each and every box. But this is fourth gear counter shaft, fourth gear main shaft. The ratio is 1.0. I'm not like, to be honest, I don't know what I'm really looking at. So when I have it installed, I have the person explain it to me. But this is not I don't know shit about gears. I just know everything should be stronger after this, so that's why I got it. The stuff out of the second box, I forgot I even got these. I just got this because it was cheap, and I've heard it makes the shifter feel way more, stiffer and responsive. Then I got the Mfactory differential. Originally, years ago, I was actually gonna go with the Mfactory 1-4 kit, but this is supposedly stronger, so this is the kit I went with. This should be the synchro set, so I'm gonna open these two and show you guys. This is Mfactory Diff. Well, I'm gonna show you this first. This is the synchro set. What is this? Is this a draw bearing? I'm not sure. Anyways, this is the synchro set. Like I said, I'm not really sure about any of these things. I forgot if I got the carbon one or not. I have to check. Or the helicoil one. I don't know. I had someone help me buy everything, so he kind of just pointed me in the direction of what I should buy for what I wanted. So that's all going to be new instead of being reused. That's all going to be new. And Factory came with some stickers. And here's the new Diff. Don't really know how to pick it up. Okay, I'm not gonna pick it up with two hands. There it is. Hopefully that makes, traction control and everything a little bit better for me. Realistically, I just need better tires. I'm on all season Michelins right now. But like I said, I'm not too I don't really know much about gears, so whenever they're installed, all I can do is give you a before and after comparison. I'm not in a rush to install them. I was in a rush, but then decided my gears are fine now, so don't need to be in a rush. I don't really have the time. I just came back from a week vacation. I'm about to leave literally tomorrow again for a week for work. So whenever I have the time, I have the person, whenever he has the time, I'll get it installed and make an update video about that. If anyone have BF gears in their car, Let me know how it's holding up. Let me know if you abuse your car or not. Let me know if you track your car. Just, let me know if there's any cons about it, pretty much. But until next video, I just came here to make a short little video for you guys, being that I was gone for a week of the unboxing. But like and subscribe. Thank you.